Hello, beautiful souls. It's a brand new day, bursting with possibilities. Let's start it off right with a little morning yoga to energize our bodies and minds. This sequence is perfect for beginners, so no need to feel intimidated. Just bring your beautiful self to the mat and let's begin. Before we start moving, let's take a moment to connect with our breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. Feel the breath expand your belly like a balloon. Exhale slowly through your nose, letting go of any tension. Repeat this deep breath a few more times, feeling a sense of calm wash over you. Today's flow will focus on gentle movements to awaken the body and invigorating poses to boost your energy. Are you ready to shine? Let's do it. Remember, listen to your body throughout the practice. Be kind to yourself, modify poses as needed, and most importantly, have fun. Before we dive into the flow, let's warm up our muscles with some gentle movements. This will help prevent injuries and get our bodies ready for action. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion, then reverse the direction. Feel the tension melting away from your upper back and neck. Next, let's stretch our sides. Reach your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, feeling a stretch along your right side body. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Now come down to your hands and knees, aligning your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale deeply, arching your back like a cat stretching. Exhale, rounding your spine towards the ceiling like a scared cat. Repeat this cat-cow movement several times, syncing your breath with the movement. Great job! Now that our bodies are warmed up, let's move on to some energizing poses. Let's get our energy flowing with a few rounds of Sun Salutations. This dynamic sequence will warm up your entire body and get your blood pumping. 1. Stand tall with your feet together, arms by your side. Feel grounded and strong like a mountain. 1. Inhale and sweep your arms up overhead, reaching towards the sky. Gently gaze up at your thumbs. 1. Exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward, bringing your hands towards the ground. Allow your head to hang heavy. 1. Inhale, lengthen your spine and come halfway up, keeping your back flat. 1. Exhale, fold back down, releasing any tension in your neck. 1. Step back 1 foot at a time, coming into a high plank position. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line. 1. Lower your body halfway down, keeping your elbows close to your ribs. 1. Inhale, press through your palms and lift your chest off the ground, arching your back gently. 1. Exhale, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Repeat this Sun Salutation sequence 3 to 5 times, feeling your energy levels rise with each round. Section 4. Finding calm cooling down with gratitude. Take a moment to stand tall in mountain pose, feeling the warmth radiating through your body. As you inhale and exhale deeply, notice the stillness within. Give thanks to your amazing body for its strength and resilience. Now let's stretch our legs and hips with a standing forward bend. Step your feet hip-width apart, hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your head hang heavy. Grab opposite elbows and gently sway from side to side, releasing any tension in your lower back. Next, come down to the floor and sit comfortably with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the inside of your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, twist your torso to the right, placing your left hand on your right thigh and your right hand behind you. Gaze over your right shoulder, hold for a few breaths, then repeat on the other side. These gentle stretches will help your body cool down and prepare for relaxation. Section 5. Peaceful release, relaxation and rejuvenation. It's time to give our bodies and minds a well-deserved rest. Lie down on your back, arms by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your belly rise. Exhale slowly and fully, releasing any lingering tension. This is Savasana or corpse pose, a time to completely let go and surrender. Allow your body to melt into the mat, feeling heavy and relaxed. Visualize each part of your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes, basking in the peacefulness of this pose. If your mind starts to wander, Gently guide it back to your breath. When you're ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes and gently roll onto your side. Take your time coming up to a seated position. Section 6. Embrace the day. You've got this. Congratulations on completing your morning yoga practice. You've given yourself the gift of movement, breath, and mindfulness. Carry this sense of peace and energy with you as you move through your day. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Approach each moment with a positive attitude and an open heart. Believe in yourself and your dreams. Now go out there and have an awesome day. Namaste.